In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and sign in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the Goals option. Click on it. Make sure the Summary option is selected. Then, in the Summary option, you'll find two tabs at the top, Goals and Diagnostics. Make sure it's on the Goals tab. Then scroll down a bit and you'll find a Create Conversion Action button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. Then you need to choose where your conversion happens. Conversions on a website, conversions on an app, conversions from phone calls, or conversions offline. I'll leave the conversions from phone calls as selected, and then click Save and Continue. Then choose a conversion category to create conversation actions. You can choose Purchase, Sign Up, Subscribe, or Phone Call Lead. I'll choose Purchase. Now, create a conversion. You can edit the settings. Once you're done, click Save and Continue. Then click Finish to finish the setup. You'll need to install the conversion tracking tag on your website, either manually or using Google Tag Manager. Once the tag is installed, return to Google Ads and verify the conversion. That's it. Conversion tracking is now set up in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.